Hello and welcome to our preview of the 2021 Qui Tam conference on February 17th, 18th, and 19th. We are previewing some of our panels for the conference in February, and today we are with Tejinder Singh. Tejinder is a lawyer at Goldstein Russell, and he is moderating a panel on falsity. Should the definition be amended by Congress? Tejinder, tell us a little bit about how you chose that title and, kind of what should we be talking about on the panel?
Thanks, Scott. It's great to be here with you. We heard last year at this very conference from Michael Granston that one of the biggest outstanding questions in his mind about the meaning of the False Claims Act is, what is falsity? And does there need to be more refinement? And this is an area where neither the Supreme Court nor Congress has really said much since 1986, when the statute was strengthened and became what it is today. And so there are these lingering questions about just how broadly terms like false or fraudulent should be construed in the act. They have drawn recent attention from the courts of appeals, particularly in the context of when opinions can be false. And so it seemed like a very timely topic to get into. It's also a very, very nerdy topic. And I have some great nerds on the panel with me to help with it.
So tell us about who you got on the panel.
Sure. So we have Ben Way, who's a senior trial attorney at the U.S. Department of Justice in the civil fraud section. We have Eva Gunasekera, a partner at Tico and Zavary. And we have Jason Mehta for the defense side from Bradley. And they are all wonderful, brilliant thinkers about how the False Claims Act works and should work, having had close experience with it in a variety of contexts.
So if I'm in the audience and I'm listening to the panel, kind of what am I going to be taking away from this panel?
You're going to be taking away, I think, a new understanding of where the case law is headed. I don't know that we'll actually answer the ultimate question of whether Congress should amend it, because I imagine that people's answers will vary depending on what the amendment says. Eva and I, as relators lawyers, would probably say, sure, amend it if you're going to say everything in the world is false. And Jason might say, yeah, sure, amend it if you're going to say, nothing is false. But there's going to be a lively discussion back and forth about whether there are really cracks in the statute as it currently exists that need to be patched over, or whether, actually the status quo is good enough and working fine such that messing with it would potentially do more harm than good.
Tejinder, it sounds great. We look forward to seeing you in February and look forward to seeing all of you on February 17th, 18th, and 19th online. You can register at fedbar.org.